Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to find spot wallets on Binance. So let's start this video. It is very simple. You just have to go into your wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now over here you have to click on spot, and this is your spot wallet. In simple terms, you can say that spot wallet is used to sell and buy crypto assets, while funding wallet is used for margin trading. Now if you want to know this address of your spot wallet, you have to click on this deposit option and search for any coin. For example, I'm searching for Bitcoin, and here are all the spot wallet networks. Here you have to choose the right network. For example, I am selecting Ethereum ERC20 as an example, and this is your deposit address with the network too. So this is how you find your spot wallet on Binance. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.